Flag hoisting at Ram Temple. The India bloc is sulking yet again. The Samajwadi Party MP has stoked a controversy. Avdesh Prasad says that he was not invited, saying that he is the MP from the region, but an invitation was not extended to him, saying outsiders have been invited, but the local residents have been ignored. He went on to, in fact, claim that he was born in Ayodhya, yet he has not been invited, saying he has been elected by the people of the constituency as the MP from there, and yet he has not been invited to the ceremony. The ceremony is scheduled for tomorrow. The Prime Minister will be leading the ceremony. The Samajwadi Party going on to claim that an invitation was not extended. And this is the MP from the region, Avdesh Prasad, who has gone on to say that he was not invited despite being elected by the people, but outsiders have been invited. So the Samajwadi Party MP going on to say that it's a welcome event, but why not raise issues of jobs and development? Listen in.
करता हूं, स्वागत करता हूं और प्रभु श्री राम के नागरिकों को, देवतुल्य जनता को मैं बधाई देता हूं और उनका भी अभिनंदन करता हूं और आशा करता हूं कि प्रधानमंत्री जी के आने से जो अयोध्या में लोगों के घर उजाड़े गए हैं उनको फिर से बसाया जाएगा। आशा करता हूं कि जो किसानों की भूमि जमीन करोड़ों की करोड़ों में ली गई है, उन्हें उचित मुआवजा देने का दरवाजा खुलेगा और जो बेरोजगार हैं, पढ़े लिखे जवान हैं, बड़ी बड़ी डिग्रियां लिए हैं, जिनकी संख्या लाखों में है, उनके आने से, प्रभु श्री राम के मंदिर में आने से, दर्शन करने से इन सभी प्रदेशवासी और देशवासियों को।
My colleague Adib is joining us on the broadcast. Adib, all roads lead to Ayodhya, a big ceremony tomorrow, but the MP, the Samajwadi Party MP from the Faizabad constituency, going on to claim that the invitation was not extended to him and going on to say that outsiders have been invited, but he is not.
Pratibha, see, Samajwadi Party has always been levying allegations against Ram Mandir when it comes to Ram Mandir. And in fact, at the consecration ceremony time, the invitation was sent out to the entire opposition bloc, whether it be leaders from the Congress Party or the Samajwadi Party. But none of the leaders accepted the invitation and they declined the invitation. And now, when the flag hoisting ceremony, which will mark the completion of the construction of Ram Temple, once again, Samajwadi Party MP from the Faizabad seat, which is in Ayodhya, is now claiming that he has not been invited for the Ram Temple. And in fact, he's saying that the Prime Minister Modi is coming and compensation should be given to the people whose homes were demolished during the development project in Ayodhya. But in fact, what the reality is that the massive amount of compensation was given to the people whose homes were demolished as they were in some kind of illegal manner. They were constructed on Rampur, and that's the reason these homes were raised down for the development project in Ayodhya. And now Samajwadi Party MP is once again raising allegation that he has not been invited. But he also raised the allegation during the time of the consecration, and in fact multiple invitations were given by Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth to Samajwadi Party and Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav as well. But none of the leaders ever visited Ram Temple, and now we have again Avdesh Prasad raising the same allegations once again when the ceremony, the flag hoisting ceremony, will take place here in Ayodhya.
Okay, all right. And Adib, you know, there were opposition leaders who were invited, including Avdesh Prasad himself, who was invited for the ceremony the first time around, and he had said that he would not be visiting during the Lok Sabha elections as well. In fact, as he spoke to him, he had said that he will not visit the Ram Temple. Now, crying foul and claiming that he has not been invited to the ceremony. In the same breath, also going on to say that this is a welcome move, but what about the jobs and development? Let's listen in to what he said.
मैं उनका अभिनंदन करता हूं, स्वागत करता हूं और प्रभु श्री राम के नागरिकों को, देवतुल्य जनता को मैं बधाई देता हूं और उनका भी अभिनंदन करता हूं और आशा करता हूं कि प्रधानमंत्री जी के आने से जो अयोध्या में लोगों के घर उजाड़े गए हैं उनको फिर से बसाया जाएगा। आशा करता हूं कि जो किसानों की भूमि जमीन करोड़ों की करोड़ियों में ली गई है उन्हें उचित मुआवजा देने का दरवाजा खुलेगा।
Anila Singh of the BJP joins us on the broadcast. And Anila Singh ji, previously when Avdesh Prasad and all members of the opposition were invited, they didn't really make it to the ceremony. They didn't attend the ceremony. But now Avdesh Prasad, who is the MP from Faizabad, going on to say that I am the elected representative. I have not been called, but there are outsiders who have been called for the ceremony.
My Ram to all. And what to say? What a thought process. What sort of invitation he wants? He wants invitation from Bhagwan Shri Ram, or Bhagwan Shri Ram is God only for Bharatiya Janata Party. If he has got some sort of devotion for Bhagwan Shri Ram, he would have never ever said this thing. This shows that these all people are halal Hindus. They are not there for any sort of devotion for Bhagwan Shri Ram or any of our God and goddesses. They are here to do appeasement politics. And let me convey very clearly, loud and clear to Samajwadi Party, right from their boss till the lowest strata worker in Samajwadi Party, that no one needs invitation to go to Mandir. If you have got some sort of devotion, Mr. Akhilesh Yadav, Mr. Avdesh, then you should go by yourself and show the respect and trust and devotion towards Bhagwan Shri Ram.
Okay, all right. I also want to ask you, in the same breath, he also says that the ceremony is welcome, but what about the issue of jobs and development? How would the BJP respond to that charge?
This is utter nonsense. If our economy has doubled since 2017, what do they think? Is it just a number to show off? Or it is in reality? Today, Uttar Pradesh is excelling in so many verticals.
Okay. Anila Singh ji, I request you to stay with us just a moment. Ghanshyam Tiwari of the Samajwadi Party is also with us. Ghanshyam Tiwari ji, Avdesh Prasad ji कह रहे कि उनको invitation नहीं दिया गया है. BJP saying कि मंदिर के दरवाजे तो खुले हुए हैं. अगर आपको जाना है तो आप मंदिर जा सकते हैं. Last time आपको invitation दिया गया था. कोई भी opposition leaders नहीं गए थे ceremony पे.
BJP is not yet able to digest the fact that people who wanted to be the Thekedars of Bhagwan Ram threw them out of Ayodhya. And they would want to demonstrate every insult on Avdesh Prasad ji and people of Ayodhya who threw them out. This is just one example. It is shameful that at an organization of this scale, something as petty as not inviting a member of parliament is playing out.
Anila Singh ji, is the BJP still upset that people of Ayodhya didn't pick the BJP and that's why Avdesh Prasad is being not invited to the event?
See, I know one thing very clearly as a worker of Bharatiya Janata Party. For Bharatiya Janata Party, when we talk about Sanatan, about a Devi and Devtas, they are not the matter of politics. They might be the matter of politics for Samajwadi Party or the other political parties who are deep into appeasement politics, but it is not for us. And let me tell you very clearly that if they say, oh, Ayodhya people, they rejected Bharatiya Janata Party and they chose us, okay, well and good. And if you belong to Ayodhya, still you need an invitation. Still you need an invitation to go to Bhagwan Shri Ram. This shows their mentality.
Ghanshyam Tiwari ji?
Ram Satya hai. And not a week passes when the Prime Minister or a month passes when the Prime Minister is not caught out on a jumla that is put on people. If one ever gives an award for the Prime Minister who had the highest number of lies made to the people of India, BJP's leadership will stand out far and wide for generations to come. So people who do not understand that Ram सत्य है, हमारे देश में सत्यमेव जयते हर जगह लिखा जाता है, and the entire party's lies every day to not invite a member of parliament from Ayodhya.
No, so did the Samajwadi Party leaders go to the Ram Temple? Because I did speak to Mr. Avdesh Prasad during the Lok Sabha elections as well, and he himself told me that he will never go to the Ram Temple. He said that it is against the sentiment of people of Ayodhya and he'll never go there. But now he says, you didn't even invite me.
Going to a temple is his own choice. He is the representative of the people. The Prime Minister is not going there by chance. There's a overall organization that is happening.
Okay, so you're saying that whether he goes or not, that's his own prerogative, but an invitation should have been extended to him. All right, Ghanshyam Tiwari ji and Anila Singh ji, thank you for joining us on the broadcast. Remember, the Samajwadi Party going on to say an invitation was not given to us, while also in the same breath saying that whether we visit the temple or not is completely up to us. With that, we slip into a quick break. We'll be right back.